The Tesla Model 3's interior camera might not work due to several reasons: software glitches, incorrect privacy settings, or hardware problems. This camera is used for features like Sentry Mode, cabin overheat protection, and dog mode. Let's troubleshoot why it might be offline and how to get it working again, focusing on privacy and data control. Privacy settings are crucial for Tesla's interior camera functionality. Start by navigating to the Controls menu, then Safety and Security, and finally Data Sharing to access these settings. In the Data Sharing section, make sure the interior camera is enabled for features you want to use, such as Sentry Mode or cabin monitoring. Also check if geofencing is turned on, as it can automatically disable the camera when you're in specific locations for privacy reasons. Due to new privacy regulations, Tesla requires explicit opt-in settings, so unintentional disabling of the camera is common and easily fixed here. Tesla frequently releases over-the-air software updates that fix bugs and improve camera performance. Ensure your car is connected to Wi-Fi and check for available updates in Controls software. The latest stable version, around v2025.44.30, includes fixes for camera calibration. Updates also incorporate AI diagnostics for automated troubleshooting. A reboot can resolve many temporary software glitches. To reboot, hold down both scroll wheels on the steering wheel until the touchscreen goes black and the Tesla logo appears. This restarts the car's systems, clearing the cache and recalibrating sensors, often fixing camera issues. Try this before anything else. If software and settings aren't the problem, hardware could be the cause. Check for dust accumulation on the camera lens. Dust can obstruct the camera's view, blocking light and causing poor image quality. Wiring faults can disrupt the camera's power or data connection, leading to no signal. Sensor degradation, especially in hot climates, can cause the camera to overheat or fail. This often results in blurry or distorted images. For hardware problems, schedule a service appointment through the Tesla app. Select service, choose your issue, and book a time at a nearby center. Tesla's approach to privacy emphasizes protection through advanced security measures. The company uses end-to-end encryption to secure data transmission and processes information locally on the vehicle. Your data remains on the vehicle unless you explicitly give permission for it to be uploaded, typically for diagnostic purposes. This gives you full control over what information is shared. Independent studies highlight that Tesla leads the industry in transparent camera policies, providing clear options for data handling compared to other electric vehicle manufacturers. Ultimately, you maintain control over your data, with Tesla designing systems that prioritize user privacy and consent.